Good morning. We are on lesson 8.7 and we are continuing to practice our methods for two-digit addition. We're going to start with the equation 64 64 plus 29. I'm going to show you the building method to begin with. Remember, in the building method, we start here with our tens place. So 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. And since I'm adding the tens, that is 80. Now I jump over and I'm going to add my ones place. 4 plus 9, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. I'm going to put that 13 down here under the 80, and I'm going to add. I'm going to add my ones place. 0 plus 3 is 3. And then the tens place, 8 plus 1 is 9. So I get 93. I'm going to show you that same equation, 64 plus 29. I apologize, my pen is acting all goofy today. And this method is new group above, and some people might say carrying the one, okay? So when we do this method, we start here in the ones place. 4 plus 9, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is 13. In the number 13, the 3 is in the ones place, so I'm going to write the 3 here. The 1 is in the tens place, so I'm going to carry that up here on top of the tens. And now I add. So I'm going to add 1 plus 6 plus 2. So 6 plus 1 and then 2. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. So for both I got 93, but just to double check, I am going to do a proof drawing. So my first number is 64, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. My bottom number is 29, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and there I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle this as my new 10. Now I count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93. So my proof drawing proves my answer of 93 to be correct. All right, again, we're just going to practice those same two methods and doing our proof drawing with this equation. 46 plus 38. In the building method, I start here in the tens place, 4 plus 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7. I write that in the tens place, and because it is in the tens place, I put a 0 in the ones place to make it a 10, 70. Now I add my ones place, 6 plus 8, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 plus 8 is 14. The 4, oh, I'm sorry, I don't need to know which one is in the tens or the ones. I just carry it right down here. Sorry about that. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 1 is 8. So I get 46 plus 38 equals 84. Now I'm going to rewrite that same equation. And my pen is really bad today. I'm so sorry. And I'm going to switch to a different color here so we can see. We are doing new group above, so I'm going to start adding here in the ones place. 6 plus 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4 is in the ones place, so I write the 4 here in the ones place. I carry my 10 up to the tens place on top. 4 plus 1 plus 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 1 plus 3 is 8, and I get 84. Let's do a proof drawing just to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, plus 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I made a new 10. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. I'm sorry. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. And so my answer I get is 84. So here I'm able to do the building method here, new group above here, and this is my proof drawing. That is just me proving the answer that I found when I added my numbers. So on your work, make sure that you are showing me the proof drawing as well as the way in which you are adding. Are you doing the building method? Are you doing new group above? Those are the two methods I've seen used most frequently on our math work that we've been turning in this week. You cannot just give me an answer. I need to see the way that you are finding your answer. All right, thank you.